This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tin fish and macaroni. This comforting dish is simple to prepare and packed with flavor, perfect for a quick meal. We will start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, including your choice of canned fish, macaroni, and fresh vegetables. Then, I will guide you through each step, from cooking the pasta to creating a rich, savory sauce. Get ready to enjoy a hearty and satisfying meal in under 30 minutes. First, bring 2 quarts of water to a rolling boil, adding a teaspoon of salt for flavor. Once boiling, add your elbow macaroni and cook it according to package directions, usually for 8 to 10 minutes until al dente. While the pasta is cooking, open your can of fish, whether it's sardines or mackerel, and carefully drain away any excess liquid. Then, gently flake the fish into a small bowl, preparing it for later. Next, finely chop 1 small onion, mince 2 cloves of garlic, and dice 1 bell pepper. Now, let's create the heart of our dish, the flavorful sauce. In a large pan or skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing them for about 3 minutes until they become fragrant and translucent. Next, toss in the diced bell pepper and continue to cook for another 5 minutes, allowing it to soften slightly but retain a tender, crisp texture. Finally, stir in 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup of water, and your seasonings. It's time to bring all the delicious components together. Carefully add the flaked tin fish and the perfectly cooked macaroni directly into your simmering sauce. Stir everything gently to ensure the sauce evenly coats the fish and pasta, allowing all the flavors to marry. Let the mixture simmer for an additional 5 to 7 minutes over low heat, giving the ingredients time to meld beautifully. Serve your hearty tin fish and macaroni hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley for a touch of color and freshness. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.